Universal love, also known as unconditional love, is a concept encompassing love for all beings and everything in the universe. It emphasizes a boundless, gentle, and all-encompassing form of love, rooted in compassion, understanding, and recognition of interconnectedness. Today is Sunday, August 3, 2025. Tolerance alone is not enough. It lacks enthusiasm and only involves putting up with other people's differences while remaining quick to change our opinion if these differences disturb us. On the contrary, really loving other people's differences means supporting their individuality and encouraging them to live out their racial, cultural, religious, sexual, or genetic differences. If everyone were the same, the world would be a boring place. The greater people's differences, the more enriching they are. A humanity full of variety is indeed a rich humanity. On my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng, tonight at 8:30, I shall explain this in details on a live streaming. Thank you and have a nice weekend.